Here's my philosophy. Human beings are regretful by nature. Always. Any choice we make comes with pain, no matter what. It's easy to say, pick carefully so you won't have regrets. Well, that's a load of bull. You agonize over the path you choose, but you'll always find time to think of the turns you didn't take. It's the pain and the joy of the human experience. My advice? Just make sure you're being honest with yourself. Yeah, because the closer you can get to your true feelings, the less those regrets down the line are gonna hurt.